Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be working on our Lego block, and we're going to be making our rectangle 3D first of all, and then the next thing actually we're going to do is use our offset tool to make a little cavity, put a little watermark in there just so we can see that it's ours and put our name in it, and then that's kind of going to be the extent of our video. We're going to use the push-pull tool. We're also going to use the offset tool that's in the move tool here. And then we're also going to use the text tool, the 3D text tool. All right, so starting this out, we before made a rectangle. It was 32 by 16. Now we're going to push-pull that to make it 3D, 8 millimeters. So I'm going to go in here to the bottom right, isometric view, select that, go to my push-pull tool, select the push-pull tool, go up, drop it, and then I'm going to type in 8 and hit enter. All right, so there's my block, my 32 by 16 by 8 millimeter block. All right, remember you can always check with your dimension tool to see if your things are right. The dimension tool once again is found underneath the tape measure. Now, the next thing we're going to do is a thing we're just going to put a watermark in our Lego block to be able to see our name, so you know it's authentic and it's yours. Nobody can take it from you that way. So come in here. We're going to do the offset tool. Offset tool is found underneath the push-pull, all the way in the bottom. We're going to select this top surface. We're going to move in, and we're just going to type 2. All right, so 2 millimeters. After we do this, we're going to push-pull this down. So we're going to come in here, push-pull tool again. Remember, we changed that to our offset tool. And when we select this, we're going to go down, and we're going to go down just 1 millimeter. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to use the 3D text tool that's found underneath our rectangle tool over here to put our name in the watermark. So I'm going to use my last name, Lehmann. I'm going to do a height of 3 millimeters. My height's already set there because I've done this before. And I'm going to do a text extrusion of 0 millimeters. All right, text field's fine, text extrusion's fine. And then I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to set this right on the face that I just push-pulled down. Try to center it. Doesn't need to be perfect at all. Now the next thing is I'm going to come in and we're going to select this surface and delete it. So we can either use the eraser tool to delete. You got to deselect and then delete. Or we can use the selection tool with the delete key, backspace, or delete if you're on a PC. Now the next thing is, after I do this, I'm going to delete my outer 4 pieces. And then you kind of wonder, well, what does that do? And I mentioned before, it's a watermark. So when we come into this, we can't see it right now, but if we come in and we type into our magnifying glass here, the search key, X-ray, we'll find our X-ray, toggle it on, and then if we turn that on, you'll be able to see your name or the watermark that you left before. All right, make sure we save. But thanks for watching this video. Hope this helps. Hope you learned some of the things in SketchUp today. Have a good day.